Yeah, this morning on our Facts in Chemistry, I want to talk about producer gas and water gas. I will start with producer gas. Producer gas is a fuel that is produced by passing air over white hot coke. When you want to form producer gas, you pass air over white hot coke. Hot coke is a form of carbon. When you pass the air over the white coke, there will be a reaction between the carbon and the oxygen in the air. And what will be formed is carbon 4 oxide, or what we commonly call carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide will further react with more carbon to produce carbon 2 oxide, which is commonly called carbon monoxide. The carbon monoxide with nitrogen that is in the air will form what we call producer gas. So the constituents of producer gas is simply carbon 2 oxide and nitrogen, which is present in air. Now, producer gas, 1/3 of it is carbon monoxide, while 2/3 of it is nitrogen, which means that only 1/3 of the producer gas is combustible. What do I mean by that? It is only 1/3 of producer gas that you can burn as fuel to produce energy. So do not forget, the constituent of producer gas are carbon 2 oxide and nitrogen. 1/3 of it is carbon 2 oxide, while 2/3 is nitrogen. And it is only the carbon 2 oxide in the producer gas that is combustible. Then we go over to water gas. Water gas is formed by passing steam over white hot coke. When you pass steam over the coke, the carbon will combine with the steam to produce carbon 2 oxide and hydrogen. The carbon will react with the steam to form carbon 2 oxide and hydrogen. Now, carbon 2 oxide and hydrogen are both combustible. This makes water gas to have more energy value than water gas, because both the carbon 2 oxide and the hydrogen in the water gas are combustible. You can burn them to produce energy. At the same time, water gas has another advantage. The second advantage is that you can pass water gas and hydrogen through a catalyst of zinc oxide and chromium. When you pass water gas and hydrogen through this catalyst at a temperature of about 450 degrees Celsius and 200 atmospheres, you are going to produce methanol from it. So, water gas has more value, energy value, than producer gas. Thank you.